Boots on the ground, putting it down. Get up, get up, get up. I got something to tell you I don't think they want you to know, but I'm going to tell you anyway. It's best-selling researcher Mickey D. I host The Scoop. I want to thank you for joining me. It's a pleasure. It's an honor to be on your electronic device. The Scoop is for your education, your entertainment, your information only. I'm not a stockbroker, not a money manager, not a financial advisor. I'm an author. I'm a researcher. I put it in black and white so you'll have it for days, weeks, months, and years to come. Thank you once again. My friends, it's not very often, ladies and gentlemen, that I look forward to a 60 to 90 day stock market just raging potential bull in our sectors, guys. We have potential in uranium. We have a lot going on in lithium. We have a lot going on in cannabis. We have potentially a lot going on in gold and silver. I mean, it could really be on and really cracking this. It could be lit this holiday season, guys. We haven't had this many potentials for bull. You know, we're gonna get some selling, guys, as you know. We're gonna get some tax loss selling and all that. But we really do have a chance here to really knock it out of the ballpark. As I said at the International Uranium Fuel Seminar last week, I was only able to do one video before I was booted out in day 2. It's all good. Don't worry about it. I'll see them next year. No big thing. But on the video, I did say that the party in uranium just got started there. That the fuel buyers are going to make sure this thing happens, guys. And I'm confident of that. But like I said, it just got started then, and it's going on now. We've been 10 days in a row. Uranium spot price has gone up. I may, who knows? I may, I may have put the nail in the coffin in only 10 days. But I don't think so. I think we're going to be going up. We're going to trickle up. This is going to be a run, guys. The fundamentals are there, and the technicals are starting to show. We'll look at some charts here in a second. I'm not going to hold you for a long time, guys, because I know you got things you got to take care of, and I know your family and all that. But I have been getting some stuff here, getting a lot of stuff, a lot of, thank yous, a lot of shout outs and all. You can just buy me some coffee if you want to help. There's a little link there. You can just buy me a little coffee at one of these conferences or one of these seminars that, I've been going through the years or so. If you've had any value or you picked up anything from them, you can just buy me just right on the internet, just right online. I tell you, back in the day when Doug Casey couldn't even explain the internet, but we jumped in anyway, and said, yeah, what the heck, AOL, Cisco Systems, let's get this stuff. It's 10 cents, 25 cents, and the stuff went crazy. So he's a guy you gotta trust. If he says gold and commodities are going up, I leaned on that guy in 2004, 2007. The late James Dines and Doug, I leaned on them. So I bought them a coffee, or that's what you do. That's what you do with these guys, But all is well. Let's take a look at some of the charts, guys. There's some things going on. Really, I'm gonna tell you about them. Let's take a look at the OG when over 40 years ago when he was in journalism class in high school laying it down, because I got some pictures of some yearbooks I don't even remember. I'm low key, guys. I want to be low key. I don't want to be out in the spotlight. Not necessarily, and I was low key in, journalism class, and I was low key. They saw my bylines, in the newspaper and stuff and all that, but I was kind of low key guy. But we'll take a look at the low key guy. I had an afro and stuff. Had the ladies, Let's take a look, guys. Just having fun. It's the 40 high school reunion for the OG there. As you can see, laying it down in journalism class, putting that newspaper, putting that newsletter together. Hey, guess what? Doing the same thing today. Wow. That is something. You know, guys, you know, if you can do your first love, trading and all that stuff, once you've retired and, you know, you're out the game and got you know, you're comfortable. That's why I tell you guys. I'm not trying to make you rich. I'm trying to make you comfortable. But Rincon High School, Tucson, Arizona, is Rincon University now or something, known for its academics, not really so much a, you know, powerhouse in sports or anything. I wasn't all that, you know. But a Rincon Echo, I was a reporter there, and I had to work my way into that. We were medalists, which is in high school. That's the highest honor by the Columbia Scholastic Press. That's what we were. So we were good, and I was a reporter on that staff. I was the leading reporter on that staff, put it that way, because the next year, what happened? Who came calling? The city newspaper. And I remember it was long nights, man. I had to have my story out by, you know, was that considered child abuse now? If you had to work till 12 and 1 in the morning, then you had to be at school at like 7:30, 8 o'clock in the morning. I don't know, man. I look back, I might be able to never mind. It was fun though. Let's get to the charts, guys. That's just a high school picture of yours truly. Yeah, let's look at some charts, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, if you're a Scoop Team private student, there's roughly about 6 baby knockouts in the newsletter that we've never even mentioned before on the Scoop, and they're for you, and we'll probably never mention them again, but they have a lot of potential. And if you're not on that list and get those baby knockouts early, you definitely want to be on that list. You just follow the link and we'll get the information to you. 35 cents, 14 cents, 89, 33 cents, 30 cents, $1.15. These are baby knockout. These are companies that can dominate that we've never had on the show before. Let's take a look at the spiders. SPY is below. Am I good? Below, I am good. Below its 200-day moving average right now. Right now, it's had a good day at the end of the week. We'll see if this continues, guys. There's potential for a lot of this. There's potential for some continuation, especially at the beginning of the week. What about the Sprott Uranium? What about the miners? The miners are kicking up some dust, guys. Big end of the week there. Let's see if we can continue to roll. They're below their 200-day moving average. Right now, the physical is doing its thing. It's over its 200-day moving average. We're talking up in Canada, the UN. The physical has gone up. We're talking 10 days in a row. And like I mentioned at I'll say it again, at the International Uranium Fuel Seminar, it started there, in my opinion. Those guys were very, very bullish, and they're going to make things happen here. May make them happen somewhat faster than a lot of people are thinking. Our leader, CAMECO, there is a gap here. We expect CAMECO to do some sideways trading and head up. If it's below, you can imagine what all the other baby knockouts are. They are trading sideways and they're on their way up. Let's take a look at lithium real quick. Patriot Battery Metals, one of our baby knockout home runs here, has been trading sideways here for a few weeks here. We'll see how that goes. It's actually one of those stocks that we really, really love. Great results, great management. It's going to do well. We singled it out early at a quarter or so. Lake Resources, the same. It went up and had some management issues, and it's trading sideways now, and we expect it to go way up. I do believe that was Lake that had a couple of issues there, but it's going to go up also. A lot of the stocks are trading side. A lot of lithium stocks are trading. Someone asked about Surge battery metals there. Surge had a big week, and we expect Surge to do well. It's at its 200-day moving average. We'll see if it can go up. It's got some results coming out that look really, really good, some drill results. We'll see how that goes. When you take a look at what may be coming up for cannabis, Green Thumb Industries here, trading sideways. Looks like cannabis has kind of bottomed out here. It's been bombed out, shall we say 80, 90, 95% down. So we'll just see how that goes. And a lot of these stocks, guys, are above on the RSI, the relative strength index, above their 50. Like the S&P is 51, Sprott Uranium, the miners are 52. You look at the physical UN is 63. Look at CAMECO, it's down below 43, along with some of the individual miners. But CAMECO's got an excuse, with the merger there with the buyout. They had to use some do some dwindling down there, some dilution. Patriot Battery Metals, it's 36. Patriot Battery Metals, the RSI is headed down a little bit. Maybe it'll come down. Maybe Patriot will come down and challenge its 200-day moving average, and it'll act as support for Patriot. You never know. And Lake Resources, 56. Lake Resources is headed up. Green Thumb Industries, like I said, 55 is headed up. And a lot of these stocks are headed up, guys. We will take a look. You have a great trading week. It's not easy, guys. These stocks go up, they go down. You have to have a strong stomach. You have to have patience. But I do believe that our uranium sector and our lithium, some of our lithium stocks are really starting to get it. They're starting to realize that if they have personalities that they have, they've been a little, I don't mean to sound funny or anything, but they've been a little bipolar on us a little bit with the different personalities. And no offense to anyone that has any mental disease. That's very, very difficult. Herschel Walker is very difficult as you're trying to communicate with people, Mickey D. Anyway, love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. No fun there, but our stocks have been kind of up and down, up and down, up and down. But it's time for them to start kicking up. Like I said, the spot price can't go up forever, and then the stocks don't go up. We've had 10 days in a row. Let's make it 15 this week, guys. Let's make it 15 with the spot uranium price. We'll see how it goes. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family. Once again, if you're a private student, make sure you take a look at your inbox there and take a look at some of those baby knockouts and take a look at what direction we're going with the African uranium super trade, our election trade update, also those baby knockouts to consider in lithium also. They're all there, and we do have an additional gold baby knockout. It's a silver miner that is really getting his act together as a baby knockout here, and we love that pick also. So if you're not a private student and you want to get on that list, just hit me with the information there, and I will get the information to you, and you can be right on the money. If some of you make sure you read your entire newsletter because you have your anniversary date due. Love you. God bless you. Take care of you and your family, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.